Hey y'all, this is an unboxing video here tonight. This is for the exclusive Visa X1 card, the invite only credit card. Pretty hard to get, waiting period and stuff like that. I wait over a year for an invite. Anyway, I'm going to talk more about the card. Basically, just want to do an unboxing. I've always wanted to do that if I ever got something like a card like this. Just thought it'd be kind of cool. But this is it. It's the Visa X1, and it seems to come like a little foam here with a iPhone-like box in here is the best way to explain this. Okay, so look at that cool. And the X1. I don't know which way, if I got upside down or not, but anyway, it don't matter. Let's go ahead and just open it just like that. And there she is. Look at that. Beautiful, all metal Visa signature X1. I just thought this was cool, y'all. I was not in a bodacious video or anything like that. I'd always wanted to unbox one, something like this. And anyway, so here it is. Take a look. Got a little heft to it, of course, the all metal. We'll do a little drop test. Of course, we'll just hear that sound. It's got a little, clunk to it. But yeah, so yeah, that's the Visa X1 unboxing. Just thought that was pretty cool, y'all. Just want to show it to you.